Well, it seems that everyone we know, their love's grown cold, will or stand as stone. One by one they break. It's such a shame. And now you say you won't do that again. You don't toss us away so thoughtlessly. It just ain't right. Oh, can't you see? I still love you. I want you to stay. Darling, please don't toss us away. Well, just think of all that we've been through, the world we're building, me and you. How could all those years be tossed away in just one moment, in just one day? Don't toss us away. It just ain't right to let love die without a fight. Let's get loving. I want you to stay. Darling, please don't toss us away. So now I'm asking once again to understand, to be my friend. Oh, it hurts so bad to think you'd go, still the same. I love